In this class we will learn how to use the commands circular pattern and mirror, which are very useful for performing circular copies and mirroring geometries, respectively. With the previous class file open, let's get started. We will first know the command circular pattern, located in the pattern panel, which allows you to make circular copies around an axis or reference point. Note the dialog box that opens. In the geometry field we select the geometry that will be copied, in this case the smaller circle. Next, with axis we select a point or axis for a reference node. We set the amount of copies in the count field to 5 and enter the value of the angle in the angle field, which in this case is 360 degrees. We changed it to 180 degrees and see the change in preview display. By clicking on flip we change the direction of the copies. By clicking on this arrow we have the options already studied previously. We keep the angle as 360 degrees and confirm the command by clicking OK. To edit the created repetition, we right-click on one of the geometries and click on Edit Pattern. We will now know the command mirror, located in the pattern panel, and which is used to mirror geometries. For its use, a reference axis and a profile for mirroring are required. We select the geometry, the axis and confirm the command. It is important to remember that by pressing the Escape key on the keyboard, we disable the execution of any command in operation. To erase geometries, simply select them by clicking on each entity and typing Delete on the keyboard. We can also click on the desktop, hold the click and drag the cursor to open a selection window and then click Delete to delete the entities. If we make the window from left to right, we delete only the geometries that are inside the window. If the selection is from right to left, we delete all entities affected by the selection. In this class we learn how to make copies of geometries distributed in a circular way and to mirror geometries.